second I hit the button. What's up, guys? Welcome to this week's episode. I am currently not near my house. I'm on a job in Payson, and I thought I'd take the opportunity of being out here, being in a different area, to test out this new camera that I got. This is actually my grandpa's old camera. It's a Franka Solida 2. And it's backwards in the case. Okay, I got it. So this is a medium format 6x6 camera. I'm excited to get out and test it out. I did shoot one roll, but when I was taking it out of the camera, it started to unspool a little bit, and so it did have some light leaks. So this roll I'm going to be testing out to see if the light leaks were from it unspooling or if the camera has any issues. Hasn't been used in a really long time. So I'm gonna load it up with some Portra 400, and I think there's a few diners around town that I wanna go take some pictures of, and we'll just shoot a whole roll and let you come along with me. Kodak 1. So there we go, we're ready for our first shot. We'll close that up. This little button right here flips her out, and we're good to go. So I just got out of the car, and there's two things that I want to take some pictures of real quick. There's this cool little shed over here, as well as across the street, you can see it right there. There's an old diner. So I'm gonna set up here and take some shots. Okay, so this first shot right here, I'm gonna end up metering at 300th of a second at f16. And that gives me a pretty wide depth of field. So I'm gonna be saying I'm around 25 feet away for focus. Okay, so I was gonna move on and head over to the diner across the street, but I came a little closer and I saw a few more shots that I want to try and get inside this little shack thing. So let's do that. Okay, so we're gonna go F8 at 1/100th of a second. That's interesting right there. I think I'll just get one more right here. This is gonna be F4 at 1/50th of a second. And I just realized I forgot to focus on that last shot, so it's gonna be out of focus. Okay, here we go, shot number 3. There we go, so 3 shots here sounds pretty good. I know one of them's not gonna turn out the best, but good thing about 6x6 is you got 12 shots, so let's keep going. Also, another thing that I wanted to mention, these folding cameras are a great small medium format option. They fit right in my back pocket. I can literally carry it around anywhere. I think that one's gonna be good. real talk time. So that last shot I was really confident with, and then I walked away and I came across the street to get some more close-ups of the diner here, and I looked down and I noticed that I didn't change my shutter speed. So we're off to a great start. 2 may be good, 2 aren't going to be good. The thing with folding cameras is, and maybe it's because I'm trying to start a YouTube channel at the same time, I'm just thinking of a lot of things. I need to slow down and I need to focus on the shot. Maybe focus less on the video and more on the shot, because I keep forgetting 1 or 2 settings. I'll go through it, I'll meter it, and I'll know what I want to do, but I'll just forget. And I think with folding cameras, for me, it's because everything is just right here and I'm just not used to changing every dial. So we've got aperture, cocking the shutter, shutter speed, focus. It's a lot to think about, which I know, I mean, it's the same settings you change on any other camera. It's just different. But going forward, I'm gonna get some good shots. So I just took my 5th shot. So we're going on to 6, we're halfway. The last 6 are gonna be good. Okay, so that shot I just took was f11, 1/100th of a second, pretty close to 50. It was between 50 and infinity on the focus. Right before that shot, though, the owner came out and talked to me. His name's Jeff, and we just got talking about the place, the building. He showed me I got a little B-roll clip of it, a little etching in the ground of when this place was built. What I wanted to say is just that that's one of the best things about photography and coming out here and doing this stuff, is learning the stories, learning the history, and meeting people who are just awesome people working through life, living life just like me and you, and you get to connect with a lot of people, and that's something photography's really blessed me with. So I just took shot number 8. That means I'm moving on to 9, and then we only have a few left, so let's hit it. Alright guys, so I've just finished up this shoot. I'm heading back to get just a few more B-roll shots because I was in quite a hurry with taking the pictures, but I had a nice chat and lunch with Mike, the owner over there, and learned quite a bit more about that place, and I'm excited to share this video with you. So thank you guys for watching. I hope the pictures turned out all right. We'll see you next week.